Hello everyone, welcome back to page Banti Minjai Arise. My name is Khun. So today I'm gonna teach you on lesson 1 that talk about letter of the alphabet. So did you ever learn about letter of the alphabet? Okay, if you never learned about that, so now let's learn together. So how many letters of the alphabet in English? Did you know that? Okay, if you don't know about that, so I will answer for you. So there are 26 letters of the alphabet in English. Let's say them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, get it everyone? So everyone please repeat after me one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay everyone, great job. I hope you get it. So now everyone, see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.